In this video, we are going to talk about getting out of the friend zone. This is the moment where you spent a lot of effort trying to get your customers' attention, trying to present your value proposition and all your arguments, and people are still not sure. They have this gut feeling that something is not right, and you need to help them and dissolve their last fears to get out of the friend zone and to get them to buy your product or service. Right. So for this, we have one very simple principle, and that's to treat objections as requests for more information. Credit to this goes to Brian Tracy, and really the important takeaway here is to focus on the points in the customer journey where customers leave, where they don't go on the intended path, and to try and fix it. Try to provide them with more information. You know, when we are talking about ads, we are using remarketing campaigns to add more information, to peel the onion and to reveal more information about our product. When we get to the landing pages, again, we have our remarketing campaigns. We have our abandoned carts campaigns where we are trying to reveal more information, even maybe sweeten the deal somewhat, and handle people's objections. And then last, when we get to the checkout or the call to action buttons, we use the area around them to dissolve all of the fears and doubts and objections that customers might have by using safety features, by using catalytic mechanisms and guarantees, warranties, and providing clear information about exactly what they are going to get. So that's how you get out of the friend zone, and that's it for this video.